doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have more bits for the Skyline. We have, I should show you, I'll unbox it at the garage for you, a Walbro 400 LPH fuel pump, rear brake discs because the other ones are a bit crusty, some black Amorite paint, a silicone hose for the intercooler piping that I've just duct taped for the moment, and some fuel line separators. And also, my missus thought it was funny, let's make me a packed lunch. My little daughter's packed lunch packs, but I ain't scared, I'll show you all. But yeah, let's get that fuel pump in and hopefully the car will start. But yeah, if you dig the lunchbox anyway, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. So I'll get up there and let's get it done. Okay, here we go. So that's the paint. We don't care about that stuff. We paint everything black now. So this is the Walbro fuel pump, 400 LPH. So litres per hour basically. It's I had a 255 Walbro in there before, which apparently is good up to 500 brake horsepower. But this one, I don't even know what it's good up to. Obviously, I'm not going to go massive power, but this should be able to handle plenty. You know, whilst you're in the fuel tank and not changing stuff, you always, well, I always try and uprate stuff. So yeah, 400 should be plenty for what I'm going to do. And I'll link it in the description down below. Off JDM Garage is where most of my JDM good stuff comes from. Okay, what other malarkey we got going on over here? Ah, the silicone hoses. Jack from Project Racecar, say the link's in the description down below. He's got the white R33. He lent me this hose to try and get my intercooler piping fixed up. I had it all taped for a minute, but we'll try and fit that in if it fits. Also, I bought a black one off eBay, which I'll link in the description down below if it fits. It should do a bit of finagling. The fuel pump, let's get on to that because that's the main thing of what I want to get done so I can actually start the car, hopefully. This is not a how-to video, so don't be expecting to learn how to fit a fuel pump because I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I just wing it and figure it out, but it's pretty simple job really. Stick that little sock thing on, put a clip over the top of that, and in a minute I'll figure out that once I've put that on, I need to put that black rubber thing at the bottom of the fuel pump on before I put the sock on. But this is how we learn. So I'll take it all off again after, but yeah. So yeah, this is it all assembled pretty much. It's just one fuel line going up that goes to the top of the fuel pump hanger, and then you've got your electrics, which is just an earth and a live cable. Simple as that. You connect that to the top of the hanger, again the top hat as they call it, and we're good to go. That's it on the actual hanger. I just cable tied it to it because obviously it's aftermarket, it doesn't fit quite properly, and all it literally does is hang. As you can imagine, it's called a fuel pump hanger. There's two little clip like forks on it, and they just slot straight into the side of the fuel tank. Obviously when you take it out you'll see what I mean. Just in case.
I know what it is.
That's good.
It's blown fuse.
Oh, what fuse?
When we had it, tried to start it on the switch, because it was just arcing through. I reckon it did. I reckon it blew the fuse. So we'll have to find that, and then
The fuel pump fuse.
fuel pump fuse. Yeah.
I like the movies where they
That's fuel as well, is it? Okay, we have fuel. The pump is working. We have crank, as you can hear. So now we're going to test spark. Whipped off one of the coil packs. See if that works. And if that don't work, then I don't know. God, this car. Right, so now we've got fuel after the new fuel pump's in. We've not got spark. And I think it's down to do the ECU. Because I bought the new ECU, the Link ECU, I bought it second hand, and it had it's off an R33 GTR, and obviously mine's a GTST. So all I've done is plug it in and just tried to start it, but there's no spark at all. I pulled the coil pack out, pulled the spark plug in, put the spark plug into the coil pack, and then turned it over and then put it against a piece of metal, and it sparks if it's working. That means you've got spark. It didn't do that, so I need some geeks to plug it into the computer and tell me why it's not happening. Put a base map of a GTST Skyline onto that ECU, and hopefully that should work. We got crank, fuel, no spark. So now we need spark, but I can't do that because I've not got a computer and all that stuff. But Jack at Project Racecar is coming up on Wednesday with his laptop to hopefully put a base map on, because he's good at IT stuff. So I'll link their channel in the description down below if you haven't seen that. He's got the R33 white Skyline, the GTT, and he's an IT guy. So, but yeah. So I'm going to leave this video how we are with a non-running car still. But the next video, I say this every video I think, we're going to start the car. But who knows if we are. But we should, because we should have spark once the ECU is done. Checked all the fuses and whatnot. I know they were fine. So yeah, like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you next one, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm